So before we go into a more legal understanding of mediation, it's quite important to reflect on the Thomas Kilmann conflict mode instrument, which is used by human resources professionals around the world. There are 5 major styles, not only of conflict management, as it is mentioned in the slides, but also how one, whether it's a natural person, a team, or organization, actually responds to conflict and manages or doesn't manage conflict. So we can have a collaborating approach, a competing approach, avoiding the conflict entirely, accommodating, and also compromising. Another key part of understanding how we will use mediation and how we can guarantee mediation as the one that the parties will first resort to attempt to resolve their dispute, is looking at the commercial agreement to start off with. The drafting of the commercial agreement will have certain clauses. So if a dispute arises in relation to the terms of that condition, we can also have a term and a clause that will tell us what the content needs to be to make sure that mediation can be something that we attempt before exploring any other way of resolving our dispute with regard to a breach of this agreement. And if we wanted a basic template, because it can be enhanced with all the other aspects I've mentioned before, a suggested wording of the clause would be, if any dispute arises in connection with this agreement, the parties agree to enter into mediation in good faith to settle such a dispute and will do so in accordance with CEDAR model mediation procedure, unless otherwise agreed between the parties within 14 days of notice of the dispute. The mediator will be nominated by CEDAR. So we can see here a very clear process, the days, the pool of mediators, how it will be nominated. And of course, this could be enhanced more with more details.